Control every movement with ease, directly from the interface. Simply choose your design, load it into the software, and in seconds it's ready to print. The printing software is very easy and intuitive to use, designed so that any operator can master it quickly. We offer automatic feeders, both suction and friction types, so your production is continuous and uninterrupted. The machine prints with maximum precision and can reach up to 48 meters per minute. All dimensions are fully adjustable to meet the specific needs of each production. With the power of Epson A3 Plus, the single pass is ready to take your production to the next level. Robot Jet, from China to the world.